Hi, I'm talking about the brain system. And our brain functions many things in our body. For us to walk, run, do many activities physically, we need our brain. And we need our brain to think so we can do good at school. So animals, mammals, reptiles, birds, and other living things except plants have brains. So we need brain to think, to see, to hear, to smell, and taste. Our brain is a unique source in our whole body system. It controls everything that we do, move, think, and this is the way to us to control ourselves. Our breathing is controlled by our brain. What time to breathe, it's like part of our coordination system. So it's what time to breathe, when to exhale and inhale. Our talking, physically, sitting, running, and etc. Okay, our brain functions different things in order for us to be focusing in schoolwork and workplaces. Our brain has a physical system, so in that system, it does our controlling, like we sitting, us walking, running, as I said before, and our coordination. And the ways we move and talk are also coordinated by our brains. Many things we do are less aware of are things such as us beating of our heart is controlled and coordinated, and the digestion of our food, when to digest, the time, like when we want to digest, the amount of stress we feel, the pressure in ourselves. This is our 6 important parts of our brain system, and number 1, a parallel lobe and an optical lobe. In this diagram as shown here, our first system, this green highlighted part is our parallel lobe. What it does is controls our behavior and our habits. Also, number 2, as you can see here, this green highlighted part, that controls our vision, also known as our eyesight. Number 2, our cerebellum and our brainstem. Okay. Again, as you can see here, this green highlighted part is our cerebellum. Our cerebellum is our coordination system, main part of our brain and our body. It gives us power to do everything, to do physically in our body, to coordinate. And our brainstem, it's connected to our nervous system, and it's connected to our spine, so it's easier for us to walk. And it, like suddenly, it controls our emotions. So if you get scared, that's the one that gives you nerves to your brain to know what to do that time. And now this is our temporal lobe, number 5. And as you can, this green thing is our temporal lobe. And our temporal lobe, it controls our speech and our vision, few parts of our vision, because it's almost like close to our optical lobe, as you can see here. And number 2 is our frontal lobe. It controls all of our eyesight and thinking part, this green, and our speech. Okay, now we're gonna compare this with a diagram like this. We're gonna say what these objects do to do these. For example, our speech is controlled our speech is controlled by our frontal lobe. And our smell and our emotions is controlled by our temporal lobe. As you can see here, this is our brain stem. I'll just put BS for brain stem. And here, this is our coordination, which is controlled by our cerebellum. And our vision is controlled by our optical lobe. I'll just put OP for optical lobe. And our language and everything is controlled by our parallel lobe. So I'll just put PL for parallel lobe. And in here, this in between here, these are all what does in the middle of our brain. Okay, did you guys know that if you put your finger on the middle of your head and you run down and stop at your tip of your nose, you can feel a dent between it. That's because, and you run down, you can feel our bodies that it has a left side and a right side. Our body is cut into left and right. In this figure, it shows how our left brain functions all of this. So it's number skills, like things that you need for school to get, smart. And our right brain, it controls other things that's more of artistic-minded people. To keep your brain healthy, you should eat healthy, stay fit by exercising, don't stress too much, or else your brain will explode. And don't get mad or for no reason. If anyone in your gene got brain tumor or other brain surgeries and brain function that has been cautious, you should be cautious about it and do this. Yeah, eating healthy might be good for your whole body, but then after, if you eat healthy, it's a good way to keep yourself energized and to be focused to do things at school and work. Keep your brain safe and good luck.